Hey, welcome to this quick demo of Visora AI. Every single day, billions of searches and questions are being asked across AI platforms. Right now, millions of YouTube videos are completely invisible inside ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, and more. Imagine your video or your client's video showing up right there, recommended, discovered, getting views. Creators and businesses are actively paying $300 to $1,000 a month for help improving their AI visibility. Let me show you exactly how Visora AI does it, in under 60 seconds. This is Visora AI, the done-for-you platform built specifically for YouTube AI visibility. 3 simple steps: analyze, optimize, get paid. Let's go. All you do is grab any YouTube video URL. Could be your own video, could be a client's video, doesn't matter. Paste it right here. Hit analyze. That's it. No setup, no technical knowledge, just paste and go. And if you want even deeper insights, you can connect your YouTube channel directly too. Watch what happens next. In about 60 seconds, Visora AI scans the entire video. The title, the description, the tags, the transcript, everything AI search engines actually look for when deciding which videos to recommend. And here's where it gets interesting. You get 4 AI visibility scores, instantly. AI visibility score, answer engine score, generative search score, content readiness score. Right now, average to the poor across the board. This video has real problems, issues found. Title not AI optimized, high priority. Missing FAQ structure. Description missing key signal. This video is essentially invisible to AI search, and this creator has no idea. You can see exactly where the gaps are. Red means it's hurting AI visibility. Green means it's working. Right now, almost everything is red. Before fixing anything, hit download full report. 1 click. You get a complete professional PDF. Every issue, every score, every opportunity. Send this to any creator or business. Say, your videos are invisible in AI search. Here's proof. Want me to fix it? That conversation is worth $300 to $1,000 per month. And this report took you 60 seconds. Now here's where Visora AI does the heavy lifting for you. 1 click, that's all. Watch this. Visora AI is now generating a new AI-optimized title with a visibility score for each option. A completely rewritten description, structured the way AI engines prefer. Better tags and keywords, matched actual AI search queries, and AI-optimized thumbnail suggestions. Everything your client needs to go from invisible to discoverable, and you didn't write a single word. And look at that, the score improves dramatically. That's the difference between a video AI ignores and a video AI recommends. And there's more. AI queries. Discover exactly what people are asking AI right now, so your content gets found first. Lead Finder. Find local and online businesses who need this service and are ready to pay. Channel Finder. Find YouTube channels in any niche you can approach and charge for AI visibility optimization. Competitor Spy. See what's already working in your niche and stay one step ahead. Video Creator and Automation. Create and schedule videos automatically, hands-free. Everything you need to build a complete AI visibility business, right inside one platform. But here's the moment that everything changes. Most creators never get to see how AI might actually view their content. Visora AI changes that. This is the AI search preview. Watch this. Someone asks ChatGPT, how to lose weight fast and easy. And right there, your client's video appears as the recommended result. That is what you're selling. Not optimization, not metadata, not SEO. You're selling this moment. The moment AI recommends their video. Now here's where this turns into a real business. 1 click. Export the full AI visibility report. Original score. What was wrong? What was optimized? New score. Send it. Get paid. Just 5 clients paying $300 a month. That's $1,500 every single month, using a tool that generates results in 60 seconds. And most people still don't even know this service exists. This is Visora AI. Analyze any YouTube video, optimize it for AI search, export the report, get paid. No technical skills, no monthly fees, no YouTube experience needed. The window to be one of the first offering this service is open right now. Click the button below and get access today.